Good job, guys. If that is a dime, what is that?
Another dime. A nickel.
Not a nickel. Not another dime.
Quarter.
A quarter.
No.
A penny.
It's a penny. If that is a dime and that is a penny, then what is that?
A nickel.
A pickle. No, a nickel. Yes. If that is a dime and that is a penny and that is a nickel, what is that?
A quarter.
A quarter. And I don't have a 50-cent piece. It's a little bigger. And I don't have a silver dollar. It's even bigger. But what is that?
A dollar bill.
It is paper money. It is U.S. currency, but it is not a $1 bill. Any idea? Not a 5, not a 5, not a 5.
20. 20.
Did you already know that? Did I tell you that? This is my daughter. It is a $2 bill. Extra credit for the older kids especially. Which president is on the $2 bill?
James Madison.
Not James Madison.
Garfield.
I don't think Garfield's on any money.
Thomas Jefferson. I don't know.
Who is it?
Thomas Jefferson.
Thomas Jefferson, author of the Declaration of Independence. In fact, on the back, there they are signing it. All right, I have one more bag of guesses. I think you guys are going to do even better with these. What is that? Lollipop, straight from the bank drive-thru. What is that?
A Twizzler.
Smarties.
Not a Twizzler.
Smarties.
Not a Smarties.
Speak up.
Tootsie Roll.
Tootsie Roll.
Like,
If that is a lollipop and that is a Tootsie Roll, what is that?
Another lollipop.
Not just another lollipop.
A Tootsie Roll Pop.
A Tootsie Pop. And if I do this next one right, it looks like a creepy clown face. What is this?
Candy necklace.
Candy bracelet. Here is my father's favorite candy. It tastes like wax to me. What is that?
Candy corn.
Candy corn. You like it? This is one I didn't grow up with, but kids get this one right away. So get ready. Look at the screen. It's going to be fast. What is that?
A
Gummy bear. Any guess what flavor?
Strawberry.
Not strawberry.
Root beer.
Not root beer.
Watermelon.
Yellow.
Chicken.
I've got one more candy, and this one I hope you guys have never seen. If you ever come across this candy, do not touch it. Get an adult to take care of it, okay? Now, what is that?
peanut.
Not a gummy fish.
A bigger version of candy.
Adults, what is it, adults?
Circus peanut?
It's a circus peanut, which is made out of foam insulation with a little sugar. Never eat one of these. Don't put it in your mouth. It's for recreational purposes only. Ladies and gentlemen,